Hello everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and today I wanted to talk about some stuff that I have learned at the very beginning of my Gyaru journey. So I've only recently started wearing Gyaru. Someone help me. How do we pronounce this? There's not a consensus. First off, nobody seems to know how to pronounce this. I got mixed things where I think the fashion is Gyaru, but the people who wear it are gals. Please get back to me on that one if you are a member of this community. What I've learned so far being a gal is that it is both harder and easier than you think to put bottom lashes on. It just requires a lot of patience and actually letting the glue dry and some practice. I am now so fast at putting lashes on from all of my practicing, and I've been trying to wear false lashes for years. Who knew that it just took me trying to wear them for 2 weeks straight, and then you get the hang of it. Another thing I've learned is that it seems like Gyaru, at least the type of Gyaru I like to wear, himekaji, has a much smaller second-hand market than Lolita does, and I also prefer old school himekaji, because this is a bit personal, but y'all are here. You know I get personal here for some time to time. I have loved wearing Lolita growing up, and it kind of helped keep me safe, but it also distanced me from my own sexuality as a person for a really long time, and old school gal kind of gives me a little bit of a reconnection to that, and I can kind of choose which way I want to go when I wake up that day, and it's been a lot of fun. I especially love himekaji because it still lets me be super cute, but a lot more flirty and playful with my style, and I actually really do like mini skirts and more revealing clothing sometimes, but I still want that cuteness. So himekaji has been a great in-between, but finding old school himekaji has been difficult and it doesn't have as robust of a secondhand market. And also the sizes are small. I love Liz Lisa, but their sizing I think is almost harder to deal with than Lolita because the secondhand market is so big and there are so many resources for altering those clothes, and also JSKs tend to come in a pretty standardly constructed way. So if you learn how to alter one JSK, you can probably alter the majority of them, whereas I think with himekaji, the designs vary a lot more, so that has been interesting. I've also learned that buying off-brand skirts are one of the best things ever, because I find that sukapan look adorable but are kind of out of my price range. I got secondhand Liz Lisa and could not get it on. There was not enough fabric for me to even attempt an alteration, so I got some off-brand skirts. I just typed in floral skirt into Depop, and that was a great choice, and I think I'm gonna try to just focus on collecting brand tops, because those actually tend to come in my measurements more often because they're pretty elasticated. This is actually a dress, sold as a dress, but I am wearing it as a blouse because I've seen people do this with the dresses if they fall like closer to here, and they just put a sukapan underneath it and call it a day, and I love that look. I think that's cute, so I want some more stuff that's styled like this. Also, I accidentally stick together my top lashes and bottom lashes so much. It's absolutely ridiculous, and also contouring has been interesting. I'm still learning how not to completely break out when I do heavy makeup afterwards. I've learned that my hair likes overnight curls only, which I already knew that, but I was kind of hoping I would be able to use heat. I can't use heat to style this. The curls just fall out. Actually, they've already started falling out a little bit. My hair does not like curling, which is sad because I think a lot of the gal hairstyles are super cute. Also, the online Gyaru community has been so nice to me and helpful and educational. It's just been wild because my only really interactions with subcultures like this before had been the cosplay and Lolita community, which I love, and it's a great thing to be a part of, but they're gigantic communities now where I feel like Gyaru is definitely booming right now, but they were still a lot smaller. So it kind of felt like a more on a personal level, and people were super nice and informative in ways I've not actually experienced in other communities. So thank you, Gyaru gals of the internet, who helped me figure out how to do this eye look, which I think this particular eye look will be my go-to. It was actually from some concrete I got for a raku look I tried to do, but I actually like the uncanny valley look that it also gives to more cutesy looks, where it's like, I don't look 100% like a real person with the way my face is done, and that's super fun. It's a super cute outfit, but it's just this element of like, is that a person? Or did a doll come to life and is it going to eat my soul? I'm having way too much fun today and might have had too much caffeine earlier. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena out.